Hello everyone. Welcome to Module 2. Today we'll dive into the main project methodologies that you can use in your practice. The Waterfall methodology has the following characteristics. Sequential approach. In the Waterfall model, project development occurs linearly and sequentially, with each phase building on the completion of the previous one. This rigid sequence typically includes phases such as requirements analysis, design, implementation, testing, deployment, and maintenance. Well-defined requirements. One of the fundamental principles of the Waterfall model is to define the project requirements upfront and comprehensively. This involves thoroughly understanding and documenting the client's needs and expectations before moving on to the next stages. This emphasis on clarity is intended to reduce the likelihood of significant changes later in the development process. Structured and predictable. The Waterfall model provides a structured framework that allows teams to anticipate and plan for each stage of a project. This predictability allows for more accurate resource allocation, scheduling, and budgeting. However, it also means that changes are difficult to accommodate when the project has moved beyond the initial stages. Limited flexibility. The Waterfall model has limited flexibility due to its sequential nature. Once one stage is completed and a new stage begins, revisiting previous stages can be difficult and time-consuming. This lack of adaptability can be problematic in environments where requirements change frequently, or where ongoing collaboration with stakeholders is required. Clear milestones. The Waterfall model emphasizes the establishment of clear and understandable milestones at the end of each stage. These milestones serve as checkpoints to measure progress, verify deliverables, and ensure compliance with project objectives. Clear milestones also facilitate effective communication between team members and stakeholders, promoting a shared understanding of the project status. In summary, the Waterfall model, characterized by its sequential approach, clearly defined requirements, structured and predictable nature, limited flexibility, and emphasis on clear milestones, offers a systematic and organized framework for project development. This methodology is particularly suited to projects with stable and well-understood requirements, where a comprehensive plan and predictable progress are paramount. However, the limited adaptability inherent in the Waterfall model can pose challenges in dynamic environments, or projects with changing specifications. Selecting a Waterfall model requires careful analysis of project characteristics and stakeholder expectations to ensure a successful and efficient development process. The next methodology is Agile. This methodology has the following characteristics. Iterative and incremental. The Agile methodology is characterized by an iterative and incremental approach to project development. It involves breaking a project into small, manageable steps or iterations. Each iteration leads to an increase in the potentially shipping-ready product, allowing for continuous improvement and adaptation throughout the development process. Collaborative teams. Agile places a strong emphasis on collaboration in cross-functional teams. Team members with different skills work closely together throughout the development cycle. This collaboration promotes effective communication, idea sharing, and a collective sense of ownership of the project. Evolving requirements. Agile recognizes the dynamic nature of project requirements and embraces change. Unlike traditional methodologies, Agile allows requirements to change throughout the project life cycle. This flexibility allows teams to respond to new priorities, feedback, and market changes, ensuring that the delivered product always meets customer needs. Regular feedback. Agile facilitates frequent and regular feedback both within the development team and with stakeholders. Continuous analysis and evaluation of the product at the end of each iteration helps to identify problems early, allows for quick adjustments, and contributes to the overall improvement of the product. Customer involvement. Agile methodologies prioritize collaboration and client involvement throughout the development process. Customers or end users are actively involved in providing feedback, clarifying requirements, and testing the deliverables. This customer-centric approach ensures that the final product meets or exceeds expectations and is closely aligned with user needs. Thus, the key characteristics of the Agile methodology, such as its iterative and incremental nature, the creation of collaborative teams, adaptation to changing requirements, regular feedback, and customer involvement contribute to its ability to create adaptive, high-quality products in a dynamic and fast-paced environment. The next methodology we'll look at is PRINCE2, Projects in Controlled Environments. This is a process-based methodology widely used in the United Kingdom and has the following characteristics. Process-based methodology. PRINCE2 is a process-based project management methodology. It organizes project activities into a set of well-defined and interrelated processes. Each process has specific inputs, outputs, and activities, providing a structured approach to project management. Roles and responsibilities. PRINCE2 assigns clearly defined roles and responsibilities to project team members. This provides clarity and accountability within the project structure. Key roles such as the project manager, project board, and team leader are defined to facilitate effective decision-making and communication. Emphasis on control. A notable feature of PRINCE2 is the strong emphasis on project control. The methodology includes mechanisms for monitoring and controlling various aspects of a project, such as time, cost, quality, risk, and scope. This emphasis on control is intended to minimize deviations from the project plan and improve overall project management. Tailorable. PRINCE2 is designed to be tailored to the specific needs and characteristics of a project. This flexibility allows organizations to apply the PRINCE2 principles and processes to the scale, complexity, and requirements of their projects, facilitating a more personalized and effective approach to project management. Stage gate structure. PRINCE2 uses a stage gate structure, dividing a project into distinct phases. Each stage is characterized by a set of processes, and at the end of each stage, a checkpoint is used to assess progress and viability before moving on to the next stage. This structure enhances control and facilitates informed decision-making at key stages of the project. In summary, the key characteristics of PRINCE2 are a process-based methodology with clearly defined roles and responsibilities, a strong emphasis on project control, tailored to the specific needs of the project, and a phased structure to effectively manage and monitor project progress. Critical Path Method or CPM has the following characteristics. Project scheduling. CPM is primarily a planning tool used to plan and sequence project activities. It involves the creation of a network diagram that visually represents the flow and dependencies of tasks, providing a systematic approach to organizing and planning project activities. Identifying critical path. CPM helps you define the critical path, the longest sequence of interdependent activities that defines the minimum time required to complete a project. The tasks in the critical path have zero floats, which means that any delay in completing these tasks directly increases the overall project duration. Dependency analysis. CPM requires a thorough analysis of the dependencies between tasks. It helps project managers understand the relationships between different activities, ensuring that tasks are performed in a logical sequence. This dependency analysis is crucial for determining the overall project schedule and identifying critical dependencies that affect project timelines. Focus on timing. CPM places a strong emphasis on the timing and sequencing of activities. By determining the earliest time each activity can start and finish, as well as the latest time it can start and finish without delaying the project, CPM allows project managers to create an accurate schedule that optimizes project timelines. Effective resource management. CPM facilitates effective resource management by providing information on the duration and resource requirements for each activity. This information helps project managers to allocate resources efficiently, preventing bottlenecks and ensuring that critical resources are used appropriately throughout the project. The critical path method is thus characterized by its role in project planning, its ability to identify the critical path, its emphasis on dependency and timing analysis, and its contribution to effective resource management. These characteristics combine to make CPM a valuable tool for planning, managing, and controlling projects with a focus on optimizing timing and resource utilization. Finally, lean project management. This methodology has the following characteristics. Elimination of waste. One of the fundamental principles of lean project management is to identify and eliminate waste in processes. This includes any activity or resource that does not directly contribute to the value delivered to the client. By minimizing waste, lean aims to streamline processes and optimize the use of resources. Continuous improvement. Lean project management promotes a culture of continuous improvement known as Kaizen. Teams are encouraged to regularly review processes, identify opportunities for improvement, and implement incremental changes. This iterative approach ensures that projects are continually improved for greater efficiency and effectiveness. Maximizing value. Lean manufacturing focuses on creating maximum value for the customer. This involves identifying and prioritizing activities that directly contribute to meeting customer needs and expectations. By focusing on tasks that add value, lean project management aims to increase customer satisfaction and project success. Customer-centric approach. Lean is inherently a customer-centric approach, focused on understanding and effectively meeting customer requirements. Customer feedback is actively sought and incorporated throughout the project life cycle, ensuring that the end result is closely aligned with customer expectations. This client-centric approach contributes to the overall success of the project. Originated from lean principles. Lean project management is derived from the lean principles developed in manufacturing, specifically the Toyota production system. It adapts these principles to project management, focusing on eliminating waste, delivering on time, and continuous improvement to improve project performance and create value. In summary, lean project management is characterized by a commitment to eliminating waste, promoting continuous improvement, maximizing customer value, adopting a customer-centric approach, and its roots in the lean principles that originated in manufacturing. These characteristics combine to ensure that lean helps deliver projects with greater efficiency and customer satisfaction. In Module 2, we delve into the nuances of project management methodology, looking at consistent approaches, well-defined requirements, structured frameworks, and thorough controls. Moving on to Module 3, get ready for a comprehensive exploration of the paramount importance of project management. We will delve into the strategic importance of effective project management, understanding its impact on organizational success and stakeholder satisfaction. Your continued dedication to mastering these important principles will undoubtedly contribute to our mutual learning. I look forward to our journey in Module 3, where we will deepen our understanding of the indispensable role of project management. Until then, stay committed, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.